Scene 62, take one, mark. Ah, man, not again, sorry.
That's happened before?
Don't use this one. Please just come out of this. Please just come out of the sun. Please.
Please, please, let's cut.
Build your raft. Be free. Oh, look, there's your raft.
Oh, darling, that kind of raft doesn't exist yet.
Get that boat out of the shot!
All I want is home. My Rife. My wife. All I want is home. My wife. My handheld camera style.
That was part of the prompt, not your dialogue.
Sorry.
Who is writing this stuff?